Good morning, it is 4:10 and we are literally about to leave the accommodation to go on a fishing trip. Yep.
Very excited.
So we had some friends tell us mahi is really tasty here, so we thought why not go and have a go at catching it ourselves.
Yeah, hopefully get one.
So yeah, we're just about to leave now. We're meeting the guy at 4:30. So yeah, let's see how it goes.
So dark out here. No one around. So we've arrived at the spot the fishing guy told us to be at, but we are unsure if this is the correct place to be or not, so we're just hopefully waiting for him to turn up. You can see it!
How cool is that?
What fish is this? Hey, well done! Happy with that?
I am happy, yeah. Wait, pull it out this way. That's it, reel again still. Hang on, pull up. And then reel, hang on. Wait. Hey, look at him.
What is that?
It's a mahi. How's that?
Yeah, it's hard. Oh no, he's lost him.
Keep going. Come. Lost him.
Oh mate. God, I couldn't imagine doing this for an hour.
Where is it? Oh, you're around here. Just wait. Just wait. Just go above there. Yep. You want to pull it out that way, yeah?
Whoa. Oh.
Keep going that way. You want it?
Yeah.
No, it's underneath the boat there. Keep it. You need to make sure the fish comes underneath here. Yeah? Don't pull too hard.
So strong.
Yeah. Wait.
I need help.
Yeah, you got it. You got it, real.
Hell no!
You've got it.
Stronger than me.
Pull up again. Real. Pull up. And reel. Pull up. Reel. And again. Pull towards you. You want to hear.
I'm not strong enough.
You are. Pull. And reel.
I can't even explain how hard this is.
Yeah, that, and up. Reel. Pull over towards. How's that?
Woohoo! Nearly fell off the boat.
It's a nice one, eh?
Ah, big one.
Gosh, that was hard.
Top work.
Yeah, help. That
Top
was so
work.
hard. Is it the biggest one?
Yeah,
Yeah.
by far.
Is this because we've got a new different bait?
No bait.
Oh.
Bait.
Yeah, okay. Been out here for about 3 hours now. Very windy. Yeah, so we've been out here for about 3 hours now. We caught 50 fish in the first hour, and then since that it's been back. Dolphins!
Coming right here, yeah?
Oh, where did they go? Ah!
They're big dolphins,
So yeah, as I was saying, we've been here for about 3 hours now. Yeah, the first hour was really good fish. And then since then, it's been very, very quiet. We've had on. And that's it. So we're just trying to lure, I guess. Hopefully, we'll get another one. We've got enough for barbecue. It's just nice to get something out. Oh! Have a good time! How soggy are you?
You?
Yeah, I am. Absolutely sick. That was such a fun trip. I know. I'm soaking.
The sand is so hot.
Alright. Let's stand on this wet bit a bit better. Yeah.
Get hit by the boat.
Oh! What? How good's that? Does not sound good. Keeps cutting out. You've got one patch of dryness on you just there.
Where?
On your t-shirt. And on your your hat you had a tiny bit. I feel like we should help, but I don't really know what to do. Paul's catch of the day.
The big one.
Excited to eat your fish?
I am indeed. Can't wait.
Me too. Hopefully, we're just going to take them to their friend's restaurant just up the road, and they're going to grill them or barbecue them for us. So exciting!
You good?
Yep, I'm good to go. Let's go.
Everything all right?
Yeah. Were we meant to bring the fish? Oh, okay. Hi.
I says 100%.
Yeah,
Yeah, that's fine.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
You can sit down then.
Yeah,
Perfect.
have a
Thank
good
you.
day.
Yeah, you too,
Thank you so
yeah.
much. Bye.
I'm just going to be.
Okay,
Yeah.
yeah. Because we need time to also make the fire.
Yeah, of course.
And grill.
Can
Take
we?
your time, yeah?
Can we watch you cook it?
Oh, yes, yes. I will just clean.
Yeah.
What?
We can watch.
Yes, yes.
Should I go get changed first? I'll go get changed.
Right now.
You want to put it down? Let's
Okay.
do this
Because
now.
you want to change later, take your time. And
Yeah, okay.
You have time later, yeah?
Perfect.
Amazing.
Yeah. So when you come, I hope it's already.
Yeah.
Oh,
What is your name?
my name is Putu.
Putu.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. So I cut this too, yeah?
Yes, please.
Oh, easy to.
A good size?
Yes.
Yeah.
It's good side for grill. For grill is good, yeah?
Yeah.
Not too big, not too small.
Perfect.
But this one also I need to cut, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, you're lucky, huh? To get
Yeah.
like fish.
Yeah.
Yeah. How many did we get? 5?
5. Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
But we can't
Good,
eat
yeah.
5. Too many to eat, so we take the 2. Do you grill with the head on?
Pardon?
Do you leave the head on the grill?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. I just need to slice like.
Ah,
open,
yeah, okay.
Because more easy to grill.
Yeah.
And still whole. Sometimes inside not cooking. Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Looks really meaty, doesn't it?
Looks good.
It's easy to grill. Later.
Yeah.
Yeah. This too.
Yeah, looks good.
So you get sambal mata. You want sambal mata?
What's that?
That's a sauce for grill. That's good.
Yeah, please.
Bali ni sambal, yeah.
Yeah.
It's got
Not too spicy?
No.
Okay.
If you want spicy, I will make it spicy.
I
He,
like
he likes
spicy.
spicy, I don't.
Ah, yeah, I just give a little spicy because Bali is so hot.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. So this already, yeah. Just
Perfect.
maybe when you coming, still on grill.
Oh, no
Yeah,
problem.
yeah, it's fine.
No
So
problem,
you can
yeah.
take the picture later again.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Perfect.
You can sour first.
Yeah.
And come back later for.
Okay, let's go. We are just heading back now to go catch up the ladies who's going to set the fire on the grill for us in the restaurant.
I've been up since 3 a.m. and I'm starved. So I cannot wait to see what Martin Mike has done at the pool.
Then the fish for the
You can keep people in the car. So we're not stopping in a hotel tonight. So we took our 2 best fish to a local restaurant and let them there grill it. And gave the rest of the fish we bought to the people. We made That looks good, eh?
Yeah. Smells really good. Come get my stuff in a sec. Oh my goodness. How insane does that look? So this is our feast. There's a head, well the top half. And then it comes with rice and veggies.
Literally out there catching the fish earlier today. And here it is.
And now it's here. Look how good that looks.
So much food.
Insane, and we're gonna try and eat it all. Okay, I don't even know where to start. I'm gonna go for this piece.
We didn't drink any more.
I know, can you imagine if we brought all of them back? Alright, let's try it. Got a bit to try.
Try them.
That's genuinely like the best fish I've ever eaten.
Is it?
It's like really meaty. How good is that?
Even better knowing that you poured it.
Yeah.
It's unreal.
That's really nice as well.
It's like so meaty, doesn't it? Taste like fish.
No, it doesn't, does it?
So you can see the bones mainly there. Unreal. Absolutely.
Yeah. That's what it looks like.
Oh, so hungry, but that's a lot of fish. So.
It is.
I think even the staff are looking at us like that is a lot of fish to finish. How about mine spicy? Ooh, it's spicy.
Is it?
She's had a less spicy, but
Sambal?
sambal what?
Is that what it's spicy?
Yeah.
Imagine if we brought that other fish back to us.